how do we solve for x here? Now you can pause the video and give it a try, okay? So situation like this, by observation, is easier and faster to solve for x, but going through the process will be a little bit complicated. All right, now when I plug in 4, okay, 4 to the power 4 will be 256, okay, 4 to the power 4 will be 256, so plus 4 will be 260. So the correct answer is x equals to 4. But how do we solve for x? Is where the problem lies, okay? So let's try if we can deal with this one. Okay, so let's send x to the right hand side. So that will be 260 minus x, okay? I want to divide both sides by 4 to the power x. So if I do this side will be 4 to the power x. So this one will cancel. So I have 1 equals to 260 minus x on 4 to the power x. All right. Now let's recall something important here. 1 on a to the power n is the same as a to the power minus n. So we want to write this one in linear form. So that will be 1 equals to 260 minus x, okay, times, so times 4 to the power minus x. Okay, now where we are heading towards is very simple. We are trying to, apply Lambert W function. So when we have alpha times e raised to alpha and you take W function, the result will be alpha. Okay, so before you can find W function or you can apply, there should be e, okay, whereby what is here and what is there are equal. And one more thing, when we have e exponent ln of m, the answer is m. So this one is very powerful. So following this, let's make sure, okay, what is here and what is there are equal. So we want to make this side equal to this side. Now the best way is to multiply both sides by 4 to the power 260. Now the idea is very simple. If I multiply both sides by 4 to the power 260, okay, that will be 260 minus x times 4 to the power minus x times 4 to the power 260. Now, in going back, because this side is 4 and this side is 4, we can apply lots of indices. So applying lots of indices, the right hand side, I will sum the powers. So that will be 260 minus x. So I have 4 here, and I'll add, that will be 260 minus x, as simple as that. So the left hand side remains as 4 exponent 260. All right, so if this is the first time you're watching my video, please kindly subscribe to this channel so that we all grow together. Thank you for doing that. Okay, and don't forget to like this video and also share as well. All right, now from here, remember I said anytime you take e raised to ln of something, or the result is that thing. So before we can take the W function, we need to introduce this c here. So I want to support this 4, okay? So this is what it is going to be. So 4 to the power 260. I have 260 minus x. Okay. Now, instead of writing 4, I will make it e raised to. So this t here will represent 4 to the power 260 minus x. So that will be e raised to ln of 4 to the power 260 minus x. As simple as that. So I have done nothing here. So in going back, the result will still remain as 4 raised to 260 minus x. Okay. Now, so we still have 4 raised to this equals to 260 minus x. Okay. Now let's observe this. Anytime you're given ln of x to the power t is the same as t times ln of x. Following the power rule, so the 260 minus x is a power which will come behind this. So that will be 260 minus x times ln of 4. As simple as that. Now, let's be very careful here. Remember, we are working towards this, okay? Alpha times e raised to alpha. So, we have the e here, okay? And what is here must be equal to what is behind. Let's observe this. We have 260 minus x ln of 4. And what is behind, okay? What is behind is 260 minus x. So, something is missing. Now, what is missing is ln of 4 here. Okay. So, what I will do is to multiply both sides by that. So, we have 4 raised to 260 times ln of 4 equals to ln of 4 times this. That will be 260 minus x ln of 4. And we have e raised to 260 minus x times ln of 4. Remember, our target is achieved here, so we can take the w function from here. So let's take w function. So we have w function of 4 to the power 260 ln of 4 equals to w function of 260 minus x ln of 4. Okay, and we have e raised to 260 minus x ln of 4. Okay, so remember, my right hand side will be one of this when we take w function. So we have, let me start with that, 260 minus x times ln of 4. So that's the right hand side. And my left hand side is this one, w function. So 4 to the power 260 ln of 4. Okay, so let's check. Yeah. Now the next thing is to manipulate this side and also bring in the e, okay, and then deal with this. So what I'll do here is to change this one. So 4 to the power 260 is the same as 4 to the power 256 times 4 to the power 4 ln of 4. Okay, so we have 4 to the power 4, which is 256. I want to form this one here. Okay, this side is 260 minus x ln of 4. So we have w function of this 4 to the power 256 times, so 4 to the power 4 is 256 ln of 4. Now, what we are trying to do here is very simple. We're going to create this one here, alpha times e raised to alpha, so that my w function will be one of them here. So we have this. So I'll introduce e, okay, e raised to ln of this. Now let's observe that and see. So this side remains as 260 minus x ln of 4. 260 minus x ln of 4. So we have w function. Now let's write this one as e raised to ln of 4 to the power 256 times 256 ln of 4. Perfect. So it's the same as w function. Let's write this one 256 ln of 4 times e. Now let's bring this one behind as per rule 256 ln of 4. Perfect. So let's check what is behind here and what is there are the same. So 260 minus x ln of 4. So my right hand side will bear one of them, okay, since they are the same, and we are taking w function. So my next step will be 260 minus x ln of 4 equals to, so w function of the right hand side will be 256 ln of 4 ln of 4. Okay, so from here this one will cancel this. So 260 minus x equals to 256. Therefore 260 minus 256 equals to x. So I have 4 equals to x. All right, so that's the solution. So thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more exciting videos like this. All right.